Hello, this is Andrew with Klondike Air. I'd like to introduce to you a new product that we are offering from Samsung. It is the quietest air conditioning condensing unit on the market at 49 dB. Standard air conditioner for your home is usually around 70 to 75 decibel level. This is 49 decibels, and it is 19 SEER efficiency, so it is very high efficiency. It is a heat pump, so it heats and cools your home at very little cost to you. If you have an air conditioner that is noisy, this would be your solution. As you can see, it's skinny, so it can sit close to the wall and leave you plenty of room to walk by it if you have a walkway. And it is whisper quiet. So if you're interested in hearing more about this product, please give us a call at Klondike Air Conditioning. Thank you.